Welcome back to Mudra classes. Today I am going to explain you about very important problem, 20 marks problem you will get in the final exam for intermediate first year. Okay, chapter name is final accounts. Chapter name is final accounts. Okay, final account. Right here one time heading final accounts. Okay, see, this is the last step in the accounting. This is the last step in the accounting. One time I will remind you accounting cycle. In introduction classes I explained about accounting cycle beta. So what is accounting cycle? In accounting cycle, first we will prepare journal entries. Okay, first we will prepare journal entries. After preparing journal entries, these journal entries will post in the ledger accounts. Okay, after preparing ledger accounts, we will prepare trial balance. Okay, after preparing trial balance, we will prepare final accounts, or it is also called financial statements. Okay, final accounts. After completing final accounts, once again we will prepare the journal entries. So this is the procedure, Nana. So this is the first one, the second step, this is the third step, and this is the fourth and final step in the accounting. This is the first step. Journal entries is the first step, ledger account is the second step, trial balance is the step 3, last account is final accounts. That one we are going to start today. Okay, so in your intermediate exam, for this final account, from these final accounts, compulsory you will get one question, Nana. No choice, no choice, you will get one question. One question you have to do for 20 marks. Okay, you will get this problem for how many marks, beta? 20 marks. So very important chapter. Okay, I will give some introduction about final accounts. See, as a proprietor of every business, proprietor means who, beta? Proprietor means owner. As a proprietor of every business, he wants to know whether he earned profit or loss. If he earned profit, how much profit he earned? If he got loss, how much loss he got? He wants to know. Okay, as a proprietor, as a owner, every proprietor wants to know whether how much profit he got or how much loss he got during the academic year, during the 1 year or 6 months. So for that purpose, generally people will prepare the final accounts. Okay, in final accounts, what we will find out, what we will prepare, we will prepare in the final accounts. Okay, the main objective of preparing of final accounts is to know the profit of the business, profit or loss of the business. Okay, to know the profit or loss of the business, and to know the financial position, to know the financial position of a business. That means financially how much strong we are having. Okay, how many assets we have at the end of the academic at the end of the year, how many liabilities we have. So during that during for that purpose we will prepare these final accounts beta. Okay, I will explain in Telugu. Nana, final accounts ante అర్థమైంది. ఇది ఫోర్త్ స్టెప్ అకౌంటింగ్ లో. ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీ, సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లెడ్జర్, థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్, ఫోర్త్ స్టెప్ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్. ఓకేనా, ఈ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ లో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం నాన్న? జనరల్గా అసలు ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ అంటే ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అన్న ఒకటే. ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాము? యాజ్ ఎ ఓనర్ ఆఫ్ ద బిజినెస్ మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా లాస్ వచ్చిందా తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉంటుంది. మరి ఆ ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా లాస్ వచ్చిందా బిజినెస్లో అనేది కనుక్కోనకనే మనం ఈ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ అనేది చేస్తాము. ఈ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏం తెలుస్తుంది అంటే కరెంట్ ఇయర్ మనకి ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది, మన ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్ ఏంది అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, సో ఇన్ దీస్ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ విల్ ప్రిపేర్ in these final accounts we will prepare two accounts and one statement. In these final accounts what we will prepare, Nana? We will prepare two accounts. One is trading account, okay, credit and debit. One trading account we will prepare like this. Small I am drawing for you for your understanding. One trading account we will prepare, okay, like this: date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. Okay, so one trading account we will prepare in the final accounts, and one profit and loss account also will prepare similarly. Trading account, same format, date particulars amount, credit side, debit side. Okay, profit and loss account, profit and loss account. Okay, both sides, date particulars amount, date particulars amount, date particulars amount. So both sides, debit side and credit side, will prepare like this, Nana. After that, one more account we will prepare here, that is balance sheet. This is called, this is not an account, Nana, this is a statement. Okay, at the particular date, how many assets we have, how many liabilities we have, we came to know. Okay, this is little bit difference compared to the previous two accounts, called balance sheet. So in balance sheet, we will not write debit and credit beta. We will write heading like this. One side we will write liabilities and amount, and another side we will write assets and amount. So what are the assets we have in balance sheet, right side we will write. What are the liabilities we have, we will write balance sheet, liability side. So these three two statement, this is a statement, and these two are the accounts. So these three we will prepare in the 20 marks problem. In 20 marks problem, we had to prepare trading account, we had to prepare profit and loss account, and we had to prepare one statement. That statement name is balance sheet. Okay, now one by one we will see what are the items will come in trading account. One by one I will explain to you. See, this is the trading account format I am drawing for your purpose, understanding purpose. I will explain one by one what are the items will come here.